another day working on the Mustang. Over the next few videos, I'm going to be showing quite a few things. At this point, car's still up in blocks. I'm not in a hurry to get it off the, or jacks, or whatever term you want to use. I'm not in a hurry to get it down. So the reason I've started this journey with this car is, the first and foremost, is to try to turn the car back to some originality. I've ordered the original exhaust for the car, and I'm also trying to make it more reliable. The car had been leaking quite a bit, so I've already done the oil pan and rear main seal. Oil pan is the biggest pain in the butt. You'll see in the video that it's just, or as you've seen, depending on how I show this video, it's going to be cut into several different videos. It was a pain to do. It's a pain to lift this heavy V6 solid iron, cast iron block. Over the years, I've had to replace a lot of stuff on this car. So it's an 83, so it's old. But my goal is to make it as reliable as possible. So in the context of making this car reliable, what I plan on doing is replacing all the a lot of the rubber as much as I can. You know, some of the parts as they come off, I'm going to go ahead and do a spray paint to seal them, to keep them from rusting anymore, stuff like that. Reliability is key. I want to be able to drive this car anywhere at any time, even though I don't need to. It will never be a daily driver. I'm going to paint everything underneath the car with a rusty metal primer. I got quite a few of this. Again, this isn't, I don't even bother cleaning it. This is only about keeping things from rusting further. You could hose it off. I've never seen any advantage of it. Again, I just put this stuff right over it like it is. I don't care, because underneath the car, that it's a great paint job.